Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. It's me, my face again. Today I have an exciting video actually. It's the first time I've reached out to a company and they've given me something in return. So today what I'm doing is I'm going to be installing rim decals, and I got these from a company called Spinningstickers. I don't actually know if you can see this. This is backwards for me. Is it backwards for you? No? I really don't know, but I'm going to turn you around and I'm going to show you and then I'm going to explain everything. So here is a massive sheet of decals. So this is a set for the rear and the front, I believe. But as I said, I got these from Spinningstickers and they were kind enough to give me a discount code for you. If you use the discount code Moto Dragon 10, flash across the screen, all like this, boom, 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 you get 10% off your order. So I want to thank Simon, and I also want to thank Alex, who I was talking to, for hooking you guys up with this. I really like these decals. So I'll show you. I already tried to put one on last night, and I got one on. They look fucking sweet. But it was so cold, the sticker just wasn't sticking too much, so that's why this one looks a little off. But now that it's warm, it is sticking. It does actually say in the instructions to use a heat gun. So I have the next best thing. I have Mrs. Dragon's hairdryer. So thank you, Mrs. Dragon. She doesn't know, but she will know. Maybe if she watches this video. But as you can see, I got the grey, and I must say it's a really close grey to the factory paint. When it's on the yellow wheels, it looks fucking amazing. So I have my little camera set up there, and I'm going to put it on. Hopefully I can put it on both wheels. Hopefully I didn't fuck up these stickers. I used this one and this one, so hopefully I didn't fuck them up too much. I have to stop and start every time I want to flip the camera around. But hopefully I didn't fuck it up too much. But as you can see on that wheel, it does look fucking amazing. So first things first, what you need to get is some brake cleaner and clean the shit off your wheels. I already done that, so that's fine. If you don't have brake cleaner, I would assume like rubbing alcohol would be perfectly fine. If you want to get off all the oils and the road shite, the stuff in the chain. I'm so excited to do this, guys. So I may as well just get stuck into the video, put them on. I don't want to make this stupid long either. So I'm going to go install these now. Again, huge thanks to Spinningstickers for hooking you guys and me up with discount code Moto Dragon 10 for 10% off. Okay, so I'm on the main camera. Oh my god, I have to hunker down. I don't have a lot of room here. I really don't. But yeah, you can see the one that's on it. They look really nice. They fit perfectly in the groove, which is fucking amazing. So what I'm going to do first is heat up the tire or the wheel. That's a loud car. I'm going to heat up the rim and just the metal. I'm also going to heat up the sticker as I put it on. So hopefully it should stick a little bit better because it is still cold today. I can still see my breath. So the easiest way I found to put these on is there's a little groove, obviously naturally a little recess in the wheel. Put it on bit by bit, and the best thing about this, which I only actually noticed as well, especially using the hairdryer, it's pretty much like a vinyl wrap. So when you heat it, it tightens up. And I'm purposely using the two stickers that I fucked up last night, and they're after going on without any issue. So definitely heat gun a hairdryer, put it on bit by bit, get it nice and seated in the recess, and push it as you're going, and then use the heat gun to go over it. I have, I don't know what the technical, so you can see it actually moving there, not sticking, so it's going to stick a lot better now when I use the heat gun. I have this kind of tip on it so that I can get the heat directly at it. But yeah, so far that seems to be working perfect and they're sticking so nice. But yeah, let's get back to the time lapse. Okay, so now it's don't fall. Now that's the part that's gonna make this look so much nicer. To the mark, and that's gonna be putting the MT-10 logo on. I hope my face isn't in the camera too much. You guys don't deserve that. That's just beautiful. So it literally acts exactly like a decal. I'm so happy with that. That looks great. That placement is fucking amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Beautiful. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm really, really impressed of how nice and easy that is to stick on. I'm going to move this on the other side, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other side off camera, and then we'll come back. Oh, sorry, that spider web. Push away. And I'll do the other side off camera. There's no point, it's the exact same process. And then I'll show you the finished product of the rear, and then we'll go to the front. Happy fucking days. Literally just started now. Someone's, I don't know what they're doing, drilling or something. But I just finished up the other side. I'm so happy with them. They look so nice on the yellow wheels, I have to say. You can see like all my wheels have little marks on them all there. So some of the stickers I'm actually using to hide the crimes. But yeah, guys, like, they look fucking amazing. Obviously, I don't have enough room to kind of go back and show you, but I tried to line it up pretty much perfectly with the other side. You know, it's a bit hard to do, but yeah, just try to line it up. I could have went opposites, but I thought maybe opposites would have looked a little bit weird. But yeah, I'm really fucking happy with how they came out. They look so sweet. They look so nice. So they do recommend leaving it for 24 hours. I have to go out and actually post some stickers that two of my subscribers won. So I'm going to post them out today, but I'm going to go ahead and do the front now off camera, and then I can take his back, or I'll put the camera back on there when I'm done, and I'll get the bike outside and we can see what it looks like. But yeah, guys, Motor Dragon 10% off. Thanks again. Spinningstickers, these are so fucking nice. These are sweet. Yeah, let's go ahead and do dirt on my face. Oh my god. But it's done. Looks fucking sweet. I'm so happy it's done. It's one job I fucking hate is stickers, but in all fairness, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Trying to time lapse the whole thing on the camera, but the camera just stopped fucking recording. The alarm went off, and I went to turn it back, and I turned the camera off, came back, turned it back on, and then I heard it turn back off a few minutes later. So whatever fucking happened there. So we can see them there in the front. They look so fucking nice. And then we can see this side. The exact same. I zoomed in this camera. Apologies. It looks so nice, I'm not gonna lie. It looks fucking amazing. But I can't wait to go out and get a stand back picture of it. But yeah, guys, I'm so fucking happy. Really happy. And again, a huge shout out to Spinningstickers for giving me the... Oh my god, it's a clock. No, that's what it was. Giving me the discount code Motor Dragon 10. So cold, Jesus. But yeah, guys, look, check them out. They have so many different stickers from, I think, about €45 all the way up to €90 for the premium ones. But the premium ones are fucking sick. You'll see, worth every penny. And again, Motor Dragon 10 get 10% off. Plug, absolute shameless plug through the whole video. But they're the first brand to help me out, and I really appreciate it. And what a good brand! Like, vinyl stickers and rim like rim decals, they're all the same. This is the only company I've seen, and they're in the EU, they're from Sweden, which makes it better. So everything comes a lot faster, a lot cheaper. But they're the only company that do these different style, and they're only a new company. I think they're from June of this year, like 2019. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna post these again. I don't want the video to be too long. But again, a huge shout out to them. Motorwagon 10% off. Shameless plug. Hashtag not sponsored. But yeah, guys, if I don't see you, well, I won't see you, but if I don't have another video up, have a good Christmas. Have a happy New Year. I think it's the 23rd today, so it's 22nd. One of them, it's close to Christmas anyway. But yeah, guys, have a great Christmas. Again, check these guys out. You probably won't get them this side of the new year, or this side of the year, but you'll probably get them in January. But look, guys, that's the video. Hope you've enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, check out my Instagram, and you'll see a picture of these. Check out Spinningstickers Instagram, and you can see customers who put them up on their bikes. But look, that's the video. Hope all you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you all in the next video.